My name is Caitlin Boyd, and I love creating content for you guys that is featured around home decorating, cooking, cleaning, all that great good stuff. So if you enjoy all of that, you have come to the right place. Today I am going to be doing a football finger foods. We've been watching football all day. It's Saturday. I'm currently in my spare bedroom because Joby's out there watching football right now. Y'all don't want to hear all of that because his team is losing. So the majority of this video is going to be voiced over, but I cannot wait to share all these yummy recipes with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to need bread, ham, and spreadable cream cheese, and the star of the show, dill pickled spears. Okay, so these are called pickled roll-ups, and I'm just smashing my bread down. Then you're going to take some of that cream cheese and spread it all over the top. Get a nice even coat.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, now we're gonna put our ham on top.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
And then take a pickle and start rolling it up.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep.
Okay, so once you got the amount you need, you're going to put them in the fridge. You want to let them sit and pull them out right before serving.
Much I love you. I put your favorite song on.
Okay, so this next recipe, you're going to put your oven on 350.
Dance around.
Okay, so you're going to need a crescent dough sheet, everything bagel seasoning, and kielbasa sausage.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Okay, so sausage is cut. We're getting our dough out. Gonna get that situated. Yes, I did change shirts because my Tigers were about to play. So.
Forever.
Okay, now you're gonna take that sausage and you're gonna start rolling the dough up.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
I only need to use half the dough, so I'm just cutting it apart here.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving.
Alright, now I'm getting that everything bagel seasoning, and you're going to pour it all over the dough. Also, if you hear a noise in the background, my neighbor decided to cut his grass. So, yeah.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever.
Yeah, so I'm just cutting it apart, and you're going to line the pieces on a baking sheet. Now put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, this next recipe is a classic. If you don't know how to make it, you need to watch it. I'm just using a rotisserie chicken. I love creamy buffalo chicken dip. Okay, I don't think y'all need to see how to pull the chicken apart, but I do use a KitchenAid mixer to get mine all creamy, and I'm just adding my chicken in. Next, we're getting ready to add our block of cream cheese into the mixer. Alright, we're getting that mixed up while we get the rest of our ingredients together. You're going to add in 1 ranch packet.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all I
Next, we're diving into the hot sauce. You want to use about a cup of it. Now we're using the best ranch ever, Lighthouse, and you're going to use a cup of it as well. I literally make the worst faces when I'm concentrated, so please do not look at my face this entire time. Okay, so you can just see that creamy goodness. I'm just spreading it out in this baking dish. We're going to stick it in our oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. Also adding cheddar cheese to the top. I forgot that. Okay, the sausage bites were done. Oh my gosh, they looked so good. Alright, mustard.
You video on me?
Mm-hmm. No. And
Good.
Cash said, I want some too. Good. Okay, so I had just set out a couple snacks, just pimento cheese stuff. I did make pasta salad because I wanted some. There's our lovely pickled roll-ups. We got our yummy buffalo chicken dip. And then we have our sausage bites. And of course with mustard. It was a spread, y'all, and it was so, so good. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of content on there. But yeah, I'm so excited to go eat this. I'm gonna go try everything and enjoy the rest of our Saturday afternoon watching football. And if you make any of this, please let me know. I promise you, you're gonna love it. And I'll see you later. Bye.